Alone in a dark room in London, a heavily wounded Cole is recording his experience with the recent zombie apocalypse. He explains that he's destroyed dozens of lives for NGen Pharmaceutical Company and proceeds to share the whole story, which started 2 months ago. Company director Mr. White announces ROC 295, a performance-enhancing medicine that can help people deal with everyday stress. 30,000 volunteers, including Angela, participate in the initial trial program, and White assures the media that they aren't worried about negative side effects. However, a month later, the last stage of the testing goes horribly wrong. All the volunteers experience extreme side effects like high fever, vomiting, and internal bleeding. Cole can only watch in shock how the test subjects scream in agonizing pain. While reviewing the subject files, the scientists realize Angela has never returned for a checkup, meaning she may not be having the symptoms. Cole must find her immediately since she could be the key to finding a cure. Meanwhile, Angela's husband Joe is released from jail over lack of evidence, but his reputation's already destroyed by the press. His friend Steve comes to pick him up and Joe accepts to stay at his mechanic shop for now. Back to Cole, he and his co-worker Billing go to Angela's flat, but it's empty. The landlord comes in when he hears them, and the duo immediately begins beating him up until he confesses Angela left 2 months ago. The beating doesn't stop, but it seems the landlord has nothing more to offer. Hearing Billing go through all this violence makes Cole have flashbacks to all people he's killed while working for the company, so he finally asks his partner to stop. In the meantime, Angela is hiding with her brother Matt and her friend Kate, unaware that another company agent is spying on them from afar. She wishes to see Joe and get the full story, but Kate and Matt think it's a bad idea. Afterward, Matt leaves for work at the police station, where he learns about some riots going on downtown. He also hears about a coworker has been attacked on her way here, and now she's fainted, but Matt leaves to see the riots. At NGen, Cole and Billing report what they've found so far. Cole reminds White that he's quitting at the end of the month because he can't do this anymore, but White just changes the subject. While discussing their next move, they get a message from the agent that knows about Angela being at Matt's, but the recording suddenly changes into a lot of people screaming.